Hi, Tina Ketchie Stearns here, and last week we covered a couple of the basics about hospice care, the 4 levels of hospice care. You can't talk about hospice without talking about advanced care planning. So this week we're going to cover those basics. So advanced care planning should be done anybody 18 years or older. It's not just for the elderly. It's not just if you have a difficult, terrible, potentially life-limiting diagnosis. Everybody should have advanced care planning documents done because the operative word is advanced care planning. You want to do it before the crisis. And typically there's two main documents involved: a living will, healthcare power of attorney. No matter where you live in this country, if you reach out to your local hospice, they probably do these things for free. So a couple of weeks ago, we were talking with my Black friend, Sharina, and she said that in the Black community, some people think that advanced care planning documents are just for rich white people. Understand that it doesn't cost anything to get your advanced care planning documents done. Most hospices will help you do them, and you just have to get somebody to notarize them. That's it. So living will is really pretty much just about life support, machines that are going to keep you alive. So that would be things like ventilators, artificial nutrition, artificial hydration. That's what a living will is about. A lot of people think the living will is just the be-all, end-all, and that's all you need, and that is absolutely not true, because a doctor can shut the chart on a living will should they choose to. It's just a piece of paper. It's a directive. The healthcare power of attorney, however, is a living, breathing person who is going to speak for you if you're not able to speak for yourself. As long as you're decisional and you can direct your own care, healthcare power of attorney is just a piece of paper that collects dust on the table. However, if something were to happen and you are no longer decisional, let's say you have Alzheimer's and now you're to the point where you aren't decisional, you can't make your own healthcare decisions. Let's say you're in a horrible accident and you're in a coma, or you have a stroke and now you can't talk, or who knows what the many situations could be, but it's when you are not able to direct your own health care that the healthcare power of attorney speaks as if they are you and they are going to direct your care. That is the most important document and person to in this whole advanced care planning conversation that needs to happen. The doctor must do what the healthcare power of attorney says. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, reach out to me, click the link below, email me at tina@it'sabouthowyoullive.com. I educate on advanced care planning documents all the time, and I'm happy to try to answer whatever questions you may have. So if you haven't gotten them done, and most of you have not, it's about 35% of us have the documents done. That leaves a lot of people that still need to do them. So if you have any questions, please make it a point, let's say in the next month, okay? In the next 30 days, make it a point to get your advanced care planning documents done. All right, I hope that was helpful, and I will see you next week. Bye.